And this. Oh, I'm gonna see the something them. Let me know how I'm gonna see the something them. Oh, I'm gonna see the live on the laptop. Come on, see what I saw. Come before the people them start. Come on. I mean, them things that me an idiot. I'm never dey post on Instagram, so I go live now. I can't better post that now. Hey! I can't better post that now. I'm gonna sit on this. Oh, this something gets so dark. Man, something plug out, you know. Hello, people. Hello, Janelle. Wait, I can't see the comments. See there? It gone. I have to sit on this. Hi, Brooklyn. Yeah, people, lock up the live, cause good girl is here, good girl is right there. Yeah, people, are that? Oh yeah, are that? What weird? Oh yeah, Richard, so. Stable, give me a chance now. Could you give me a chance now? No, sir. Hello, people. Oh, the good girl there. Oh, the good girl. I mean, oh, the good girl there. Right there, sir. People. Good girl has been busy. Like, I never feel good, you know. Most of them know some. Bumbaclaw, no, Sebo. No, sir, watch her. Him know I'm a big great. Watch her. No, lack of the life, people. Hello. Bed. That's Empress. What's that? Oh yeah, I can see no comments yes or no. Yeah, people, so remember good girl telling us say no. She got try and come and live every Sunday. So you know I've been slacking. Come on, what you do? You look out my son. Keep a look out, Sebu. I lock your mouth and find Oh. Oh, McLeod, why am I lock him out? You should have locked him out. No, sir. The dog that want good girl be great. Some people are going, hi. But even though I come tell what I come, no more promise to do something I come and live every Sunday. But you know, I never did feel good. I had some riches, I know. I never did feel good last Sunday. Some of this, I know. Well gone, people. Well gone. I still don't feel good enough, but I say I come life can't miss me today. Life can't miss good girl today. Oh, may I ignore? Wait, I'm not seeing the comments. Wait. How you pronounce that name there? Diaren? I'm not so good with spelling, so you know, so you have to correct me. No, you have to correct me. I don't know. If I can't pronounce the name, I got too free for calling it, because I don't want to look like idiot. No, people, the big up on yourself, I'm going to say, call out the name, Munchy Live. Who that Empress T vlog? Who that Queenie? And what is? See, I can't even call the name. Eh? Who you talking to cap me? No. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, we're up on the road to 10K. I want to make sure I share with a good bad friend and family, you know. Because I don't know some peer good people over here. So watch good people on the live. Watch good people, watch ya. Me a soon, know. You're in the blue shirt right now. And the girl, you ever see her in a pink shirt? What you? Me a soon, know. Right there, so. Yeah. When is my birthday? I'm about November 17th. You know, good girl, a Scorpio queen, sir. Right there, sir. Who that? Munchy Live. Wait. Munchy live my best life. Bumbaclaw. No, sir, Fevo. No, sir. I can't even cut out the bad word comedy live. That dog, you know, I'm gonna be great. No. Cha. No. Awesome. Well, lack of the life, guys. Lack of the life. You know, hello, people. Other good girl there. Other good girl. Oh my God, no. I want this macaw by myself on a Sunday night. No. Talk to give my son a bad mind. People before the life starts ever was not making any sound. Him look a bit on bad mind. No. Him take off him biological mother. Cause I could have never me. Yeah guys, so how are you guys doing tonight? Like wagwan, all the lot now wagwan phone. Yeah, but no one can't go to the road there so go talk cause I'm talkative and so but no. I'm just saying not today nor not yesterday. Yeah, right there so. I'm not tired of my son mouth. No, you know say a good girl they just up today and take a look picture and so. You know somebody for make a look at Abbi's madness today too, you know what? Time catch up on good girl. So good girl I said, no man girl, like here me the live mister too. What you know get for do the video for the people there? I here me the live. Yes, and that's why good girl they write so. What is so? Yeah girl, what the so, yeah girl. People know what some stay good today. Good girl stay really nice today. And you want me a sucky in the belly, because you know good girl have a big belly and so. So when that good girl take pictures, she have a sucky in. Yeah. Tips. Right there so. Watch ear bother me. Yeah girl. Thank you, Shamara. Yeah, good girl try to put herself, you know, look good and so. Because every time good girl for look mad though. No, no talk to it. Me's a mad at girl. Well, me's a mad wanna be at girl. Right there so. Yeah, people so want to talk to me, like sending some questions because you know I don't really have nothing to talk about, you know, so I have to ask the questions I'm going to answer, you know, to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, girl. Yes, guys, make sure say you know pray for St. Vincent because you don't know I don't know normal going over there, so and if you the rich and so have a little money, please you know go try and donate a little something. Yeah. I'm 24. Good girl. Kappa, come off of the live. Come off of the live right now. Focus on the food. But yeah, comment. The boy want to give me a break. The boy supposed to start cooking. The boy supposed to start cooking in the boy live a text. No. No, sir. Guys, I'm 24. Good girl at 24. Like up the live stream, guys. Mama, like up the live stream. Good girl at 24. Yes, I want to run the questions and pound good girl. You know? Oh, the lockdown alright, you know, because, you know, it don't really affect me because I don't normally go out. You know, since COVID, good girl catch a afraid bed. So, you know, I don't mind not going out. You know, just chill with people, man, also. Right, sure. I live in Kingston. What is what brand is there? You know, so I don't know what kind of... Hey, I don't ask me about ear. I don't see an ear what I like and say, I want that, please, and I buy it. I don't know anything about it. I don't know how to differentiate. I don't know. No, sir. How long since I start YouTube? I've been on YouTube for like, how long? How long? A good 4 years now, the people see me I struggle. No, I want to talk truth. That's why I try to tell you, you know, no matter how much the struggle come, you have to make sure so you keep on going. You have to push on yourself. You got to push on yourself. You know, even though sometimes good girls stress and mad out, right true, you know, between me and you come. Don't make nobody else know when the Abbi's madness come. You come right so. Yes, between me and you good girl so, sometimes YouTube are mad me. No, you come here so don't tell nobody, you know. The past stay for Abbi's madness stay upon. Sometimes YouTube are mad good girl. Yeah, but I gotta stay strong for you guys. I gotta keep a come off for the live. No, so the boy still comment, you know. That's it? No. When me and keep up for baby, you know, I don't even stop asking about the dirty boy. Because right about the dirty boy, I stress me. I don't even watch out about the dirty boy right now. You know, in the kitchen, I cook and so, you know, yeah, I cook and so. What about watch out about the dirty boy? I mean... Me not understand. But don't understand why the Wi-Fi moves so shaky. I paid my bill. I don't understand what I saw. Yeah, guys, it's very hard to gain subscribers, but you just have to still push promote your channel. Make sure someone do look a sub for sub, even though sometimes the people not watching them, but you know, subscriber wise it help. Cause you know what up and reach the torso. Hey, I can't chat good, you know, when I have to bear with me. More up and reach the torso subscribers, so sometimes the sub for sub help. But guys, bomba cleat. No! The look a dog now want me big great with him look a bad man self. No. No, sir, you got to change. Him have to change. Him can't say look a bit of bad man, him a dog. Hey guys, Jesus Christ. People are tired, you know, I'm tired bad. I better about know what I'm supposed to cook, you know. I was supposed to have vlog for the main channel. I be a kept JA, but Jesus, please. One bag of stress and some of the part life. I would this say them love me. Who that? What you gone? And I can't grab because myself good. I love it too. You know what Abbi's madness love every mad people pan this. What a so. The people them man who come at us, come here and not attack, you know. The people them man when me attack, him a cook fish and rice. Yeah. My heart, people man a cook for me. People man is cooking for me. Don't tell the wife, fella. Not a blood clot. No. Same language people, same language. But this not a dog. No, sir. What keep Bumbo? 7! Be have a look at 7 now. It's time, it's up now. No, sir. Watch out, I can't even get for soon a question because it's 37. Alright, wait. What keep you going to Lord Jesus, see the comment gone now. But guys, if you're on YouTube and you feel discouraged at even a given moment, you see the moment you feel discouraged, at them time that you look at yourself and say, you know, someone must start push. But at the same time, you need to look and say, what Jamaicans, because you know your people them watch your content, you know, so you need to post content where you know them want to see. Even though sometimes I don't know why to watch me, I don't know if I'm a madness and so, but you know, good guys still try to push, you know, I push through for you. Yeah, you don't like the madness, no talk to me, because after the madness I don't love. After the madness I don't love, and you keep me going. When you think of nobody else, you keep me going. Shen official, big up yourself, good. Remember your name because you always comment. Yeah, guys. People man not telling lie. YouTube hard. But no say YouTube hard. On so long we are butterfly. Now on the talk truth. Look how long I kept supposed to reach 100,000 subscribers. I was still not there as yet. It hard. And guess what? It discouraging at time, but you know. We just try to push through the same way, not true? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Me and Kepa are our favorite YouTuber. Yeah. Yeah, guys. What's your favorite? Oh, what? I watch you because you make me smile even when I'm having a bad day. I say that's the aim, guys. My aim is to put smile on people's face. Like, you know, actually, I eat that even though I eat that in a real life and so, you know, but you know, yeah, my aim is to make people smile. Yeah. I would have said I have a personality. I can't pronounce your name because as I say good girl, can't really call some words now. I know I got call your name wrong and then you know I look like idiots. Yeah, girl. A girl don't have to want good girl, lads. I want good girl, you'll be there. I have to want good girl. I don't got a favorite artist. I love enough artists. I don't got a favorite artist. Every artist bad in them one way. Yeah. Yo, shut up and cook the food, no? The boy won't give me a break. No, people never like on the live stream, Oh, the good girl there, oh, the good girl. I mean, oh, the good girl there. Right, that's a. call the name wrong. Then that. You know, see something wrong with the name, but can't pronounce it. I'm not going to try. But big up yourself. What country I want to travel to? I don't know. I got enough places, you know. I got enough places. Capo, shut up. Abbi, I can't thief from Capo. You know what thief me? Now I'm telling you this. I come with enough problem and stress. I come with enough problem and stress and headache. Me mad, you know. You don't got eat me one time me there on, you know. I was like, Gabrielle Campbell, yes, ma, alright, good girl just there. There, right, sure. I was that. Melandra, I call her name, Melandra, big up yourself. I would that. I mean, I give several one sister. I would that. Brittany, what if you stay for I give several sister? No, talk truth. Talk truth. I can't even manage to look dirty that when him save you. And I sister, I give several, no, my love, I can't manage. I don't want to more people right now. Several is enough, right, so. Yeah, people, that's a good girl aim for always put smile on a good face. Come on, some pay good people upon this, no. I pay good people upon this, so good girl for make sure so she entertain our good people. Even though I may stroke sometimes for entertaining, so I know I can't drop a skit. The skit them right out, you know, just for execute them, yeah. But I know a good girl I try to put a smile on her face, and that's my job. You know, that's my job. Right, so. Oh, that. Hey, Poomy and Jay. Hello, remember, yes, so I always comment someone remember, right there, sir. Record and spit, big up yourself. Dirty Crystal. Yeah, good girl just the in our house today. I said, no, girl. A long time you not dash nothing upon your face, you know. Yeah, and I saw come Susa, girl, you got to fix up today. I'm going to say, yeah, girl, true, you know, yeah, girl. Yeah, I Sue help me. And Sue fix my wig for me. Yeah, my friend, them. Even though you're not really tree good, and so, you know, but it go on with look self. It go on with look self. Yeah. You really want to spend time with me? How your name? CC, boo? CC, me, Mario. I will Mario right through. I come with paper, mama, headache. Peer problem. Thank you, Ashanti. That Jesus said I move fast. Me look like me I tell people man too, you know? I don't want to tell no man for me. No man, I don't want to tell. I don't want to tell people that, man. Allah will inspire you. What should you have? Life as Christy, big up yourself. Christy, I'm glad good girl can inspire you. You know, the mad girl, right so. And you know, if you have your YouTube channel, you just post and just be consistent. People, when you try to be consistent, don't slack off like good girl, because good girl don't have none about her sometimes. I owe that. I see one name we ever comment. What name? Javon Drying. Are you that? Come see always a comment, you know, because be a nice, clean self. Yeah, Javon. I saw me a pronounce your name right, because good girl can't really spell and say, you know. I saw. Mama know, you know. Mama know. When is the next video? I don't want to make one tonight. For Abbi's Madness, I want to make one tonight. But guys, I always say to you, I don't even send me some video ideas what you want to say, like skit-wise or most skit, you know, because I want to look at skit ideas them because that you love side that I want to go. You know? So send the ideas them. Oh, yeah. The dirty boy is supposed to come from my camera. This is Abbi's Madness, that Abbi and Capo. I put him in the kitchen. He's cooking. Yeah. Well, guys, as I say, any idea I want to have for Abbi's Madness, when you can DM me on Instagram, Abbi attached, right there, so. Yeah, and remember, like up the live stream, guys. Like the live stream. But people know, man, between me and Uno. Me and Uno are friend, no, Uno come let us, Uno hear me? Come let us, no man, come let us, Uno hear me? I want to not share good girl with one of the friend or family, you know. Because you know, sister, good girl I try, put all the hard work, good girl I try. Good girl I try. I feel like a good girl deserve more subscribers. Oh, nothing, that. No, don't talk to me, no man. Come let us, no man. Not you. I know you. I can't say no. New subscriber, love you already. Your vibes, personality at best. Welcome to Abbi's Wellness. Hello. Thank you. Pure madness I can get over here. Pure madness, a warm up, a safe, good body. I would wait. What's the name gone? What is Kadisha? I won't not pronounce the name right, but you're gone. Hold on. What do you get? You make a YouTube channel and get nervous. Why you get nervous? When you want to put your channel, you have to think about where you are the first, man. And then you make look at channel and they just drop a content and so. Yeah, you gotta start out. You got to. You can't be nervous, you know. You have to be tough in the streets. Because when time good girl just a jam, good girl, you full and so, you know. And look here, I'm still full and so. Sanjay, you want to live with me? I come with pure headache. You can't live with me, madam. What do you mean by when I go prank you, but I just drop a bad prank, but I look at dirty boy when you kept up on Abbi and kept up J.A. When you now watch the video, I'll try my best to make more videos, guys, but you know, good girl was not feeling well the whole of last week. So that's why I'm there, right to send up on the live. I apologize. I apologize for missing out. You know, what good girl there, so what try to make up. What is the name of my lashes? You know, say really and truly, I'm a friend. I take that lash from. She come up here, I say, girl, I want this. And she said, take it. I say, tongues. Yeah, I support. I them this. I change. I forgot to switch the lashes them. Sorry. I think this for my sister. I don't know none about lash. Oh, I'm trying to, but kind of. Guys, they say if you want to start YouTube, you want to jump on YouTube. You're not going nervous and so, but I saw me they feel at first, you know, but look on good girl act like idiot. What is up? Idiot. What idiot? No, talk to what idiot? I start out like a big idiot and look on me now a bigger idiot. You don't have to do it. Once you don't want to do it, you just jump on it. I know the nerves are going to kick in. But at them time, I want to just be confident. When I come on YouTube, people are going to sue you. So just brace. Brace. Yeah, girl. What is up, girl? Yeah, girl. What is up? Oh, God. You know what? I don't know what's over there now. Feel like I don't keep a goodly kill him. No, sir. Keep a goodly kill someone right through. We don't need more story time. But some have one more story for telling about my dirty life. I say, I don't even know a good girl life the dirty. I got to tell her no. Maybe I tell her something. Watch out, I should have tell her to that. I'm fair one to them tonight. I know kind of good face I can't waste. Can't waste though. I'm going to try fair one tell her no. What is so? Alright. I'm hungry, can't get some dinner. I know I'm still hungry. But don't eat for my watch out, the life I broke up. But don't understand, you know, did you say? I don't understand you. I pay the bill. So why you have me on the life I eat? No, talk to me, because this serious man did you sell? What you say to me now? Come on the life I eat and the people that want to see me. No, so I don't understand people. I paid my bill and it's still I eat. I don't understand. I don't understand. So, alright guys, remember like up the live. Welcome to all the new subscribers. People, you see if you're new on the channel, I just expect beer madness. Yeah. I just miss a mad person and I just post beer madness. You know, 1 or 2 times when I post I look a same video. Yeah, but overall this channel is all about madness. So come and enjoy the madness, share the madness with your friends, family, your dog, your cat, your rat them, and your roach. Rat you! Yeah, girl. God. Yeah, guys. So you can ask the questions you want to ask, and you know a good girl will answer because you know I don't want today attack. I'm end up talk foolishness because I don't know over talk say. But also come by life for apologize for the days I've missed out. You know, but good girl is here now. Yeah. So I'm what? Hello. Good girl is here. No, we not talk to good girl live. We not touch the question them for me. We are going to read. What is so? If I have to choose my relationship or my phone, which one I choose? Then what's the relationship? The phone did that nice. When our anniversary, we didn't remember that. Oh, anniversary come and God, I'm never remember. No, we got sad. We got sad right through. Where is Sue? Sue in our bag, ready for go put her in a wig. She run this in our bag. Alright. How much money for your lace wig? Oh, that one I'm having in my head after I remember. A people man buy me. What a so. I can't come on man to go be a good door. I don't even want to leave my house. I don't even go to down the road. You know what I'm going to be? When time to place home back and so we'll try and travel. You know, we try and travel our boat for vlogging purpose. I'm able to book up in a summer one, you know, on the channel and go on with no madness. Yeah. But I pick have to go on with madness, you know, because we have to put a shy person on it. We don't have to mad. We don't have to mad. Like this so. When are we going to do a giveaway? Guys, we might do a giveaway when we reach 100,000 subscribers. Pan Abbi and Capital J.A. Yeah. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Don't tell me I'm going to put on a live. People from money will eat one tambourine or so. I pay for me and don't take part of the place, you know, like Jesus. But I'm glad I don't care smell it through the phone because I just poop. I can't smell it. But guess what? I'm going to kill me right through. No, girl. You're rotten in. Yeah, people. No, girl. You're rotten, man. No, people, let's go. Well, hey, the Duffers family channel, big up for the same. Remember, hey, yeah, good girl, Lisa, good girl, Lisa. Yeah, Shanti's world, the poops tear real, it smells real bad, man. I got to find it away. I will say that. Remember, I know that they'll see that. I wonder if me and her related. Sometimes I think me and her related, you know. But can we have the gap? If I gap, no, I lie. She be have the gap. Damn. So I tell me I'm related to she be also. That not bad at all. That not bad. Yeah, girl. Remember, like of the live people. When me from Kingston, Jamaica, right in a Kingston. When you hear the accent, I hear the Kingston people have an accent, you know. Come from right in a Kingston. What I can't even pronounce it. Guys, let's say for the comment. I can't call on the name. I'm not telling me I can call on the name because I don't want to embarrass myself on the live. I swear. I swear. No, so I'm not call on the name. I embarrass myself. Makeup look good. How I can do it so good. Guys, I have like a makeup tutorial on this channel, Abbi's Madness. Go and go watch it. You see, once you watch that, you become a pro. Even though I'm not a pro, you know, but yeah, you are going to become a pro. I believe in you. I believe in you, right, true? Yeah, girl. Yes, Anna K. Grant. The boy just a spy on me all about. No, sir. Dirty girl will come up for the live and go cook. What's your name? Kadisha says so. I saw? Yeah, she right so. When Corona finished, can we do a meet and greet? Of course we can do meet and greet. People when time Corona done, we want to go all about. Because we want to put some in our videos. We want to go say we left Kingston and go out somewhere. We want to book up in our own and come on the phone and act mad. Yeah. Yeah, girl, right so. go so fast. I can't tell you soon, look at the summer go so fast. Lord Jesus. Some people asking the questions. Good girl is here, good girl, right so. See if my body look big. It look big? It look big. Shame. After good girl I try to say, our body look big today because good girl that work out also. I think my body do big. Can't remember for video or something, yeah. Can you take over from now? Yeah, guys. Sorry, Jesus, my belch, you know. My belch, I'm hungry. All that happened. Sorry. No, some people, some stuck right there, so. Piece of belt stuck right there, so. Alright, wait. I can't ask you no question then. When did you start YouTube? I started YouTube I when I start YouTube? 2017, Dirty Couple say. Right there, so. Yeah, guys, I started YouTube in 2017. I was start and a struggle. Up to now, was still a struggle, but guess what? I was still a wall of faith. And that one most I want to do. Well, that one all I want to do. Even though I not struggle, I want to hold the faith and just keep pushing. Yeah. One day we must get there, though. We have to get there one day. We have to believe in ourselves. We got to. Yeah, girl, just step me up. Just step me up. Coming out if I'm morning. I'm going to eat tambourine. I'll pay for morning. The tambourine. A tambourine do it. Seven, don't do that. No more, Seven. No more. Come back, man. Dirty save you. I would have love my vibes. That girl slim has big up herself. Like I said. I tell you, Anna can't be a late food we cooking here. That's how we get big and fat. So what's fat? No girl, what's fat? Talk truth. That's how big and fat and stay bad, so. When you go prank here, but people want to do some prank ideas for me. Right now, my DM. What's my name again? Abbi Atters also. Right so. Yeah, girl. Right so. Not too sexy. Big up yourself good. Big up your nice clean self, girl. Yeah, for true. What's fat? Girl, fat and stay bad now. But you know, so one time good girl I take pictures and she have a sucky and push out and come good girl get the golden pictures. Yeah. When you take notes, suck in and push out. Yeah, girl. Right there, so. So guys, I wanna be, I wanna miss good girl, you know, but good girl missing it over. Because when time I post, I read the comments there. I want to think when I entertain me right show. I love read the comments them. Yeah, I tell me back up on some negative comment. I say, Jesus Christ, them dirty people here, And then I just skip past that and just look for the positive comment. I'm just dead with laugh, so that man have no sense. I love when you comment on the videos there. I don't need to comment, I don't need to comment. True people, true. Some people out on a lockdown, you know, good girl, so what for come off of this, you know, because you know, good girl, if I eat her food, she said she just come and apologize for the past day she missed out. You know? Which product I use for the what? Well, I got a text gone. The first family when the text gone, I can't even see it. You don't need to stop me silent view. I don't need to comment. That's when I'm come on live and soon the name, so I can't just call out on the name. So I don't need to comment. I'm not soon I'll comment. I can't watch and not comment, man. That's what I always say. I don't need to comment. Eh? I don't need to comment. No, man. Suppose one day I say more. You know, suppose sometimes good girls say, alright then. Make sure just boop and do a little giveaway to somebody who ever comment. It a go miss no. It a go miss no. Nah. I don't need for comments. I know I'm going to start do that though. What I say? I bet you're not going to feel like when I'm start pick the people that will comment enough. Yeah. No, Kim, I can't watch the negative energy. I can't watch it because people will come and fight you out, you know. No matter if I look good or bad, them are going to still find fault. But it's up to you if you want to make for them negative energy affect your day. Don't let them do that. You got to push along. You got to. You let me hear Peter get thanks. Even though I don't feel like I do good enough, I'm trying to fling on a piece of wig for myself. You know, but thank you. You know, thanks, goods. Yeah, people want to ask me for the questions, you know, come out, like one want to ask me, say, come chat with good girl. Answer the questions, people. If you don't have no question like YouTube related, you can ask me that I'm going to answer quick. You know, YouTube related, like when I used to edit and them, somebody there ask the questions, them, you know. Yep, Chrissy. Right choice. Yeah, positive only, Chrissy. Big up yourself. Life as Chrissy. Big up yourself. Goods. Yeah. Step for life, J.A. Big up yourself. Right, sir. Is that right? So more said. Peter, I'm so can't wait for the day when that YouTube drop voice note in this. Me, I wait to see. No, it's a girl. Me, are you waiting? And I'm waiting patiently. So be patient bad. Yeah, I'm patient. Who inspire me for the YouTube? But I was just start out, their ranking inspire me. That's true. Yeah. Oh, old am I? I'm 24. Good girl at 24. Oh, me look too. You know, I want to be real with me. Come here, so. I want to talk to you. Come here, so. Come remember me and nothing as so, you know. I want you to tell me, me look too, you know. Like, good girl look too, you know. Because I don't understand. I want to know if I look young. Because if I look young, I saw, you know, good girl feel good. I'm like, but if I look old, I'm not going to like you, know. I don't think I'm going to like you. That's all I love to talk. Old me look. Me look like 21. I lie. Them lie. What was the most embarrassing moment for you? Black people, one of the most embarrassing moments for me, you know, one time good girl shit up herself on the road. I shit up myself right through. And somebody I tell her the fool gonna laugh about me, I shit up myself right through. No! Choo-choo!
Yeah, man, close the block now.
What about your friend? Me no look at you. Yeah, man, okay. What you do?
How are you there talk to? How which man you there talk to? You have green light on and them thing there.
Move
You have lock off that now, you know.
I look young. I Peter, yeah. I look young. You move from here, so I look at you. Where you go? Where you go? Nobody don't want to see you. Come show yourself a little bit I am one, man. You're not enough, so.
Now go on the camera. Ready?
What age you want to give save our sister? I want to conquer you. No, I want to conquer. Who said that? I want to go. I want to conquer, see? What forget sister from forget save you? No, sir.
What is?
What that? Oh, I don't want you to start talking about good guys. You're about to say. But eat to know. But eat to the right show. What do I hear that good guys to myself? No, talk to. Do I hear that good guys to myself? Or you come here, yes, I'm going to tell them the story about this. Can't see what's up with the people. No, sir. Let's see what's up. What now I hear? Keep what you doing? What you do?
You see better.
Oh. What I used to edit? Guys, I use iMovie to edit my YouTube videos. Yes. Alright, we don't want to hear the story telling that good girl shit about herself. We don't screen record me, I saw, you know. Yeah, girl. So once upon a time, not long ago, when good girl was a little old. Good girl is bumble clot now. No, sir. When I say the dog, look at me down bad mind. As we ready for job, look a story about, you know, the dog start. Watch out, yeah. record me and show somebody. Me not tell you no.
Wait, you did the kitchen back then?
Yeah, do you in the kitchen by yourself. All you gonna do a video the end result, man.
No talking.
No, but you can't, no talking. Voice over. Like this a shame. Yes, I want them to shut up. But talk to me again. I want to say yes. If you want to hear the story time with a good girl, shut up herself. I want to say yes. I want to say yes. Look at yes, I'm here. Look out for the yes, more about 10 years span this and good girl talk. More than 10 years. Yeses. I saw? 10 years. Yeses. There you go. Come on, know English really, that's how I stay in school. When the people come at us and so the son look mix up and so I'm like, oh, good girl gonna talk. When that good girl used to the tracks, I saw that people, yeah, cause good girl is slimmer. But it's slimmer, so still good enough, but good girl, they look really nice when she's young. Yeah, girl, but it's slimmer and nice. I'm used to the tracks and so. So anyways, when they want trap meet, they know trap meet keep every Saturdays. Anyway, people, I think at the time, a good girl, they have diarrhea at the time. Diarrhea the week before, so but they still affect good girl. And then no good girl monthly come too. So all of that pan good girl. But anyway, people, good girl still never make that stop her because determination is a must. Yeah. So I went to the track meet. I went to a good girl got the track meet now. And my coach say, you go first. Lord Jesus made a start in the race. Yeah. Me from my school, I won the first race. Jesus Christ. Them time a good girl nervous, because every time I won the first race, I'm nervous. Good girl nervous, people. That's when the people say, and the marks. Good girl belly just start go so brrrr. And people when time them say when they want to do, they have to step on your big toe. Say, what's a good girl step on her big toe, When time I'm supposed to step on my marks. And yes, but I've eventually got up on my marks. So when that good girl got up on her marks, now people are them time there, someone go come, them time there, someone go come. Like, Jesus, good girl up on her marks. I mean, I pray to God, even though God never did deliver at the end, but still believe in you, still believe in you, God. I don't know, but I still afraid. Well, good girl got up on her marks now. You see, I never the marks, but I just said one thing, you said. And you about to have a cock up in her ear, so when they said, you want to cock up in her ear, so when they said, class, people. Yes, I want to cock up in her ear, so. In my mind, I say like this. And them kind of boy, they want me. I say them kind of big boy, they want me at the track. And I shit on myself, you so when I'm the first step, I step off, so. The shit just run so. I said the first step would be a step off of the, what you call it, the blocks, the starting blocks. The shit just start run so. No, sir, I'm hearing my people. And I say, good God, I say I'm monthly, so ever thank God for that. Because if I never that, I pay shit when I run down for good girl food. But I say when I good girl cross to finish them, I come last, but the first one, I mean, would have win the race there, I mean, would have win the race there, because nobody fast. But I saw. Yeah. I'm gonna move. I'm class to finish now and be a shit in our body. Brooklyn. Nah, hey. I think one person you know about that, and I'm a friend, Krista. Krista, I just see her a while ago. Krista in there. And Krista follow me about you. They tell them she was so still in the comments and like Jesus, that girl comes to me, she was so. Yeah! I say good girl, at shit up self girl. You don't think me a hot girl, be a hot shit up self girl. I shit up myself. I shit up myself right through. I'm not hot. Krista tell the people there. People I shit up myself right through. Said they don't follow me. Said they don't follow. All of the people after good girl shit up myself, I saw it. Me, when I look out to myself, I want to go around people, I say, I go around people, I put a lesson, no, they never have them time, they shit full in my bottom. Them time, they shit full in my bottom. Me, I put a lesson, no, they never have. And I sent that kick, but I sent that kick, but I sent that give it up, guess what, I don't want to ask for that tiny paper. Me don't want to say, but can I get pizza teacher please to go to the bathroom? Because everybody can say, oh, she want shit now, she want shit now. Them tell the good girl, don't shit up. Jesus Christ. I tell what I tell people, I couldn't take the set no more. And so come and say, sir, pizza teacher please. And you know when time I go trap me, and so I look at toilet, some of them we have to go in. And Jesus Christ, good girl never have no space. I so come me and Crystal have to walk, go down one long part for go find the bathroom. Crystal tell the people they made up on the live. Yeah. I don't know if Dirty Crystal go tell nobody. Dirty Crystal, but you know, eventually everybody they find out, you know, words on the street and them did try and tease me in school, what you know, so good girl have to hold it. I have to hold it like a G and they'll bar when I go home. But them never know so I cry. I held it like a G. I hold it out. But yeah, guys, one of the things I'm a normal look at girl. I'm a normal shit up at girl. I'm a shit up at girl. Yeah. I shit up myself, right, you? Crystal, tell the people them. But guys, that was the most embarrassing. What I say? I mean, it never did that bad, you know, because as I said, enough people never know. You know, when I go to school now, and you know what the people them with up on the track team, you know, we're supposed to uplift you and motivate you. I said, and them say, well, come and chat you that tease you. Yeah. But I never, I act like I say nothing never wrong. I'm only like a G. Because I'm not here for doing it. You can't make people see a weakness sometimes. You know, me I tell you, you know, when you can't make people see a weakness sometimes, when I have to just hide it, laugh it off or something. You know, until it just died out. Because them say it take how much 9 days for a situation and news dead out. So yeah, I'm hold it out until it dead out. And it did dead out because I look on good girl now. If it is still a follow me, me a problem, I don't know me that day. Right so. Yeah guys, so yeah, in conclusion, a good girl is a hot shit up self girl. Yeah. Hot shit up self girl. Yeah, I don't think so be a hot girl. No, I'm a shit up myself. I'm a shit up myself right true. People, I best believe say the boy over there somebody have kept all the people there about shit up for himself on tracks too.
We're meant to be.
Meant to be harassed. It's shit up myself on tracks too. Well, man. Yeah, when I don't think so, I'm a normal hot girl. I'm a normal shit up hot girl. Shit up. I shit up right through. I couldn't believe myself when I swear. It just happened. People, I couldn't believe some actually shit up myself. I swear. It happened so fast. Oh my God, I shit up myself. I know I still can't believe. Hey, somebody that takes a business phone. Guys, remember we have a business page, Shop AC Gang on Instagram, and we sell ring lights, earpods, we sell enough things, Shop AC Gang on Instagram, and if you go check it out, rightly so. But yeah, as I say in conclusion, good girl was a shit up hot girl. Bumper clot, awa, sevo awa. No sir. Yeah, girl, I'm so proud now, because that was back then. Back then, you know, so you know what the past. The past is a past. Them can't trouble me, you know, because me own up to it. Them tell them go to own up to it, but no good girl own up to it. Me's a shit up hot girl. Me's a shit up hot girl, right, you? Why aren't I romantic with Kepo? Why am I not romantic with Kepo? I'm so tell you. I've said that like many times, but yeah, I'm so tell you again. Me tell you another time. But just know, say good girl is a little soldier, I'm not romantic.
Lie.
Hey boy, come on, come move for yourself. You don't cook, what you do yourself? Yeah, girl. Like this. Khadija, you got alright, good girl, later. Because my dad's been self. Thanks for joining the live. Keep a story come talk. I'm not tell the dirty boy story, and I'm not come for Abbi's body come talk him story. Yeah, girl, I need to do some story time for you, you know. But I don't really have much embarrassing moments in tracks. I like people. I'm going to drop a video and tell a story time when I meet my first boyfriend. Yeah, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to tell you how good girl live full. Because a life lesson, you know, I teach you something night, you know. But good girl live full right through. When I meet the boy, eh? No, talk to me, I'm going to look a snipe it. Good girl they in love for 1 week. That I look a snipe it. I want to watch out for that. But good girl do it after I done live. I see what's up, man, go on. I dash the story them part. I don't want more story time, though. I don't want more story time. But yeah, guys, as I say, good girl. When I don't think something inside my at girl, I'm a shit up at girl. I'm a shit up at girl, right, you? Yes, I'm trying to, I try some of them language for true, you know, Danzil. I know kids are watching, but you know, sometimes just come out. And you know, I like my depend and I can't go cut it out, so. I apologize, you know, if any in this language has came out. I apologize for the future, you know, if it ever come out, you know, can't control it. Sometimes I can control it, but sometimes I can't control it. But I understand what I say. Abbi with his feisty, yeah, good girl, I've brand this. And you know, enough people come from my teeth. You know much dirty people say I need to go find my teeth, my tooth at that. Eh, them don't know a brand. Them don't know a brand. Yeah, guys. Remember that I come live stream with our people when I need to share good girl with our friends and family. When I can't just take the laugh for yourself, sir. When you want most of you right about now, lie down on a bed by yourself, sit down on the live and laugh. I want to do it. No, I talk to it. I want to do it. When you're supposed to sit down on the cousins and they are laugh also. I want to do it. Yeah, people, but as I said, people, you got, if you don't have no skits ideas, please dash it for me. Because I know I love the skits them, and me love do the skits them. I just dash the ideas them for me. Inbox me for Abbi Artist for Instagram, just dash them for me. Yeah, dash them right through. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I come from a name brand, my gap. With them outside self also. Can you put the food on? The food on? Oh, the food on.
Fish done with the right hand. Get dry.
Oh, yeah. Make we see careful. That Jesus, one watch the dirty boy upon the live. Ew! Dirty careful also. Careful somebody else call you. Why not call dirty careful over here say?
Careful Stevie, go look for me.
Careful say if they buy careful Stevie, go look for him. That's a few personal channel. Careful Stevie. I want just a join the live. Hello. Who that? Christian. What that Christian see well? I can't really call her name good enough. When I think when I come for either upon this, I go call wrong name. Khadija, I saw Khadija. Yeah, right so hello, you make it girl as you come just like up the live. As you don't come just like up the live stream. Cause good girl the right so good girl the right so. Yeah, It must still a what? Where you say Denzel? What must still a do? Must still full. I don't mean yes, good girl. I eat that right you. Watch idiot. Watch you. Yeah, girl. Yeah, life as Chrissy. Yeah, me original, me had a copy. Even though I enough time me copy things. Go on. Me not even make you guess me. Me love copy things. Watch out, the internet I move shaky. Internet I move shaky again. No, sir. I would just come. AJ's mental challenge. Hey, big up yourself. I like good girl inspire, sir. That's good to know. Because that's my aim, like to inspire people. And if I don't feel like, you know, when I don't have enough confidence, when I need to just have a little confidence, also, you know, I know I'm not gonna nervous also, you know. But I have to just brace it. Remember, you know, are you the back of the camera, you know, nobody know really the back of you. All the time, I'm gonna see when you post it. So just go on with yourself, with yourself. Until you post it, you know, just hide and then you look for comments. Yeah, because comments them harsh sometimes, but you have to just brace for them. Pronounce the name Aquala. Go I'm right. Pronounce the name good. Go Aquala. What that? Aquala Harding. Good girl bright. alright. Go ahead, you can't come for me. Go ahead. You can't come for good girl. I'm gonna give the next giveaway, guys. We want to do a giveaway when we reach 100,000 subscribers. So if we don't want giveaway, we want to make sure so we help bring it to 100,000 subscribers. We're gonna do a credit giveaway. Yeah, we want to do a credit giveaway and something else when we reach 100,000 subscribers. So yeah. Because we want to give back to you, because we not help with. So we not help with and we appreciate that so much. I mean, enough people don't like my madness and only love it. Yeah? So that's why a good girl have to just give back to one who appreciate the madness. Because I really actually enough people say them not watch me because I'm a madness and they know a good girl not going to change because that's just me. I'm not going to change. So uno will love me and uno keep me going. I'm appreciating and I'm loving for that. Retro. Eh? Now give Good, what is now? What time? Oh, this move so fast. Yeah, girl. You know, so really and truly, regardless of my madness, I'm really a kind-hearted person. People may not know I'm nice, bad. Ask anybody who go around me, I'm nice. And when I look up on Instagram, no one want to text me, but guess what? I'm not seeing no message same time because I'm busy. But when I do have time, I check the inbox and I go through it. And you know, say the person them who text the last message, I go show up on the top. So them I see first, I'm going to reply. And then I have to just boop, go back to editing because we hardly get rest. We always try to put in the work. You know, all the time I rest, I was sick. That's it. You know. Yes! What am I almost calling him wrong again? Aquala. Yes, I'm gonna always be myself, and that's why I'm gonna tell you for always be myself. So. Cause people I gonna love you, people I gonna hate you. As I say, you do good, them hate you, you do bad, them hate you. And so I tell you do bad, them love it, them love it, But I know some with that world like upside down sometimes. Road to 10K, yes, like Jesus, people. We do not even know. Abbi and Kepa journey is like so long, so hard, but we still a grind. You know? We still a... No, don't Kepa, I mean like that with a smutty man. Ew. Yeah, guys. Well, good girl still there, sir. Good girl still there, sir. Yeah, good girl will post enough content for you about. You know, good girl have much channel. Basically, 3 channel I try battle with. But you know, I me call it down for myself. So, I have to just put in the work and go on the content, though. Yeah, hard work. Because something and what is Michaela Edwards, girl, and no food still a cook. You know, so we big and careless. We big and careless, ratcho. No, girl. Paris World J.A. Oh, yeah, I used to that. Most YouTubers. But I don't know. I don't know with other YouTubers, but I know me. You know, some people just, I don't know. I believe that if you're not going to reply to the person, you're not supposed to want me their message. And that me believe, because when people seeing people with heart, you know. I want to go away. What is? Dandrina? I saw? Dandrina, I saw your name. Why you go, girl? You have bedtime. After that, Chrissy, bitches I must catch COVID. Come up pay my bill and them still a move shaky. I don't understand. I them good think them up and shake to win. Them shaking. Nasa. Denzel Sunny, Abbi, you win your subscription. You go to what you do. Thank you, Denzel. Thank you. Yeah, good girl, try your best. You know, a good girl, try your best. Make sure you tell a friend them who win a Denzel. Yeah, right so. How this? Can I get Vibe with Brit? Vibe with Brit, big up a nice clean self. How that? Life with Kayla, one done. I love you, girl. I love you too. Anybody who love Abbi's madness, love you right back. Cause I want to keep Abbi's madness going. Right, show. The food not done yet. The food is not finished as yet. And what time now? After 8. And that's how big and fat and stay with bed, so you know. And that's how big and fat and stay with bed. Yeah. Other people them man cook fish and rice for me. Yeah. Better so. The food not done yet. Oh God. People ask a lot of questions them, yeah. Because I'm so afraid to come off because I listen to the live, you know, it's a video we didn't make for Abbi and Kepo J.A. But me I say, I have to come talk to you. Because look how good girl disappear by Uno. No, good girl they have to talk to you. So good girl I try put in the work, me I try multitask. So I went up on live. If I just open and do that live, yeah, that's me can run, go back, and do Abbi and Kepo J.A. That's how busy we are, guys. That's how busy we are. Yeah. What's cooking? Christina Rumble, you know what I cook? Fish and rice. Fish and rice and peas, girl. I have a girl. People might not cook for good, girl. What is? Vibe girl, Kev Abraham. I won't call her name, right? Big up yourself. No, what's that big red answer up on the camera? No, girl. What's that? Hey! What's that? I'm a fly on the camera. The answer out the other door. What's that? How old are you? I'm 24. I'm 24. Good girl at 24. You know, I'm born November 17th. Scorpio Queen. Right, that's all I manage the negative comments them. Boy. So I tell when I see them, you know, them used to get me angry. But nowadays, I realize, you know, some them people just want to get in their skin for those see a reaction. And you know, I don't use them. I skip past them. I saw one time I skip past them because recently somebody cut. Boy, somebody done me recently, you know? No, man, somebody really done me recently. Somebody said to me, say, me I go on in my video, them, and if I did good looking, it wouldn't so bad. Hey, them done me. Them done me. The person said, me good looking, it wouldn't so bad, you know, me I go on in the video, them. And then I have to tell them thanks to view and hope say them like and watch more videos and come eat. That's what I had to tell them. And then them tell me say, with my confidence, I'm going to reach far in a life. I'm going to enjoy the positive. Them say the negative and then them come back with a little positive. Yeah, haters gonna hate. Denzel, I got circus, I look like a clown. Go ahead. Say, oh. How about November 17th too? Christian see when they told lie. For children? You're a good girl. You know, see you're a good girl. You know, see we are twin. No, girl. I want to take you to who? Sizzler, my treat. What is? May I pronounce it right? Come. What a word there. You know, shit, the S word, yeah.
Yeah, man, hype, man.
When Kappa go put a ring on the finger, Kappa, when you go put a ring on the finger, because the people they want to know, because we don't know why you can put a ring on a good finger. No, sir.
I can't circus them, no, I say.
What?
Denzel, Sonny?
No, man, somebody named Planet Moolah. Literally, anytime I feel bad and watch your videos, I feel better. I live with... Boy, Kira, that's my job. Anytime people feeling down, and I can just come over here. You see, once you don't feel like in a good mood or good spirit, I want to jump on Abbi's madness. Because Abbi's madness is like for uplift on the spirit and make them smile and say, cheese. Yeah, right there, sir. Yeah, that's a good girl aim. Good girl aim for put a smile on her face. I want her feeling down. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm gonna save the life. I always save my life. So if you want to watch the madness from the previous, I call them back then live there.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay in school, kids. I say a pure foolness, my chat. Yeah, if you want to see the previous lives, yeah, them depend it, man. Pure madness. You and Kiapo are genuine people. People were genuine bad our mother with fufu and another sense of one nice. We're nice or retro. So anybody who say that we're not nice, I like them at tell. We don't know harm to them, I like them at tell. Then you know some people will tell them and people just so we don't know what them purpose, but yeah. Mm-hmm. The food not done yet, girl. Food not done yet. You good carrot, that. Girl, but still shape like carrot. But shape like carrot right too. That's why I try to work out. Because hey, what I'm done is the wait at hey, because I'm mug about uno. That's why I good girl get a body show. I'm like a mug about uno right too. Good girl no longer I have a carrot body. Mm-hmm. Then the son of an appear you no mine. No mine. All we know each other for like 7 years. 7 years now. 7 year plus, I saw. 7 year plus. We're talking from 2014, so you know, good girl are really good for math, so you just do the calculation. Mm-hmm. November people are the best. Right true. But I'm not even say right true, you know, people, because I don't believe in this month something or this zodiac sign, so you know, because I have some I went around some people who were born my month and are the same zodiac sign as me, and trust me, I hate them bad. Their personality, disgusting. And everybody who and that's why I don't follow up them one thing and that zodiac. I don't make that trick me again. I used to make it trick me, but that's what they go and tell the people who are born the same month and you know same sign as you. That's why I say them some are not real. Some are not real. Which my meeting I kind of said that people I don't think months define people like that, you know. I mean months define when they celebrate your birthday and so, but for go drop it with kindness, so no I can't say that. People are people, month not prove how kind people be. My God, not the tears. My God, time, you're damn right. You're damn right. You love the time prank. I'm going to say people didn't never say that prank there. But at the same time, you know, I did have vengeance in my heart. So that's why I never did too extra nervous. But yeah, I did nervous, but extra nervous. Yeah, because the boy stress me right out, right through. I suck on my thing about the prank. I said, I got to tell you. And so I did. I'm glad I executed it. I saw. Talk to me, people, man. Executed it. No. Execute it. My head to be foolish for the life, you know. And I suck up and make sure someone deal with it proper. Yeah, Jamaica attack can never fail when they do that. I suck up and deal with it proper. Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys. Do some more challenge. Guys, yeah, we want enough more challenge. We want enough more challenge. I say the dirty boy warm me up and I know something like water. Especially when the water cold. The water was so cold. I didn't like that at all. Oh my life, comedy board bad. Yeah, Khadija. Me I said no, I have to come talk to you now because I've been busy. I run from one last week. I say I can't run from one this week again. Good girl for there, so we don't know. Right, so. Mm-hmm. I got to tell you, yes, that was family. I got to tell you. Why must I stop run? Because I have an injury. I don't know I have the look of injury about me. Yeah, I got an injury, I must stop run. Dirty tears, go away. If you want to talk to Capo, go text him. Dirty tears. Because I think Capo you say. Food, yeah, the food I take long, but I don't know what Capo deal with. I don't know what Capo dealing with.
But I lock off now, man.
You said the part I lock off now. People really and truly have vlog with it, a vlog for the main channel, and a good girl said, no, girl. And I saw come good girl have run, you know, people know how far me I run from. Right out the door, they so. And good girl said, no, girl, where your phone there, you have to talk to your people, them. You have to talk to your mad people, them. And I saw come good girl take my phone, and I saw, and put the phone on the stand, and I said, live. and tap it right so. I see that out. Hello! What they laugh? What they laugh? What do you know? Yeah, me and my mad people there. I love when I love when I right show. That wanna motivate me. Yeah, right so. Yeah, girl. Yeah, the food that take long, yes, the food that take long, but keep us set so done. You know, when the food done, you know, me I cut the food, you know, cause good girl, okay, I say, good girl, I eat no more than mad, 2 tambourine we eat, and I pay for we have on the place. Oh no, it's a tambourine washing out, tambourine washing out, tambourine make gonna do the tambourine make gonna poop down the place. Yeah, Right so. Me I kept a grand spend today. Kept somebody say a grand spend today? Yeah. I can't be a motivational speaker. You know, so somebody said that to me one time, but good girl shy. I can't stand in front of you. I don't know, hey, when I saw good girl, but I'm real fight this. You know, real life. Hey, my add family, I'm shy. Yeah, I'm shy, man. I'm afraid, you know, I don't understand what kind of idiot to not talk to. I'm a fool. No. Yes, Kelly's Grant. Yeah, good girl. I'm not gonna change for them. I'll never change. Nah, but shy for true.
So like the food, I don't know.
Like how the food done, people you know say keep us the food done also. I know good girl. You're not telling people like somebody that ask you know.
No, I'm not getting tired of my face. I'm missing sometimes.
Dirty boy, the people that want to see what so.
You gonna bathroom?
You say I'm gonna bathroom. Yeah, guys. So I eat this, you know. Yeah. You're not. Yeah, but you don't want. Yeah, but the person to be my uncle.
Abbi's man is like a TV. That's right.
But you put yourself in the lab and tell the people them hello. Tell people hello.
Hello, mad people.
Yeah, tell people hello. Don't spend 30 seconds. Start where you are.
Hold on, they don't spend. Oh, alright. So people may cook food now. The food done. Abbi come eat at dinner. Yeah. So I'll never see me from morning to me. But there now. Oh yeah, I'm seeing somebody today. I'm going to explain. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, people. Abbi supposed to talk for a good hour now.
Yeah, about a good hour now. Mom, about more than an hour. When I'm there, hungry dying talking to you guys.
Yeah. So what now, Abbi? What now?
Yeah, but why you take so long?
Because the rice they want to cook down come more. Yeah.
People feel like, no, people are good to cook tough rice, you know, from what they
No,
want
it's too
cook.
soft. Do you want this water come out there?
Yeah, learn. Look
But it's the fish.
Yeah. Fish
I
nice
man.
also.
I
Bad, look how much just have one some
I
running, more
Yeah.
running.
Go on, people. See you well.
Guys, I
So
cannot
you
eat
see
and talk. Like, I'm a tried and worse a fish bag I eat.
Sure.
I can't eat
That's a
fish
danger.
and talk. A dangerous thing that. Cause me I like eat and just I go so, and me are dead. Imagine when me attack. No kill that, kill me.
Yeah.
No, sir.
People don't come from morning still, but that's why we have to get ourselves up, you know, pretty for ourselves. We go do our little thing there.
Dirty cap boy, you're busy for a man in a waste time.
Okay,
Talk
long.
truth.
Yeah, so anyways. Me I want to sleep. It's nice though.
But
Me
yes,
I want to
well,
sleep in a long run still. So what I go on now? What am I saying?
Guys, we can't eat for the lab because a fish we can eat and fish bone, I don't know if play with.
Fish bone? Eat in the camera. Off it in the camera.
You know what I'm doing like camera?
Yeah, for where's my food? Hungry. Yo, all I know, I'm not asking a question. I don't eat the food already. So don't come bamush my pot here. I don't eat already. So I'll be a cap with them dinner now. So.
Oh, the weather! I want to, wait, call him Michaela Edwards. Why you want to eat?
I take a picture. Oh, the vlog will come out soon, so I don't watch the vlog on.
Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, we need to go finish the vlog because as I say, a vlog we did that. Well, we did a vlog, and then I decided to come talk to my mad people then.
Yeah.
So I have to go finish up the vlog. That's my can eat.
And like my day, I go and eat back with Abbi. Hungry now.
Because you know we want to put all the content for you know.
Yeah.
So pure hard work. Wanna see? We are on from one video. I go to the next. Wanna see the hard work we are putting for you? That's what we deserve for reach 100,000 subscribers. We don't need for help, you know. We don't need for one of Abbi and Kepa J.A. Help we get to 100,000 subscribers. People
start a campaign and post on your Instagram and WhatsApp. screenshot a video of them and tell them to go get a couple to 100,000. Because I almost reach.
I almost reach 100,000.
Yeah, simple one to that, man.
People a long time, we have tried it. We
Yeah,
have
man.
tried it long time.
Do that for people, do that for you. Tell a friend them, subscribe. Yeah. I almost reach it now. Look how more help and reach.
We don't want to eat here so because of fish.
Yeah.
Fish. I mean, as I tell you, I'm going to try and come on live every Sunday for Abbi's Madness. That's my aim. Come on live every Sunday, so make sure you just prepare for me.
Yeah.
Prepare for good girl also. Right, so.
I'm going to go live body on my channel too.
I'm glad. Hey, kill it.
Yo. Them bad at you know.
What dirty ants are fly near me?
My dirty hands, my ratty dance.
No, sir.
Big.
A big dirty flying ant.
Big up. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we're going to finish the vlog for Abbi and Kepa JA. That's okay. I'm going to post that tomorrow. You know what? You want to see the work we have to put in for you. So get with 100,000 subscribers. You know? We barely get rest, but at the end of the day, we are doing for you. I do it for you and we are doing it for we too. Yeah, we are doing it for all of you. Yeah.
Just looking cute in the camera, you know?
Alright guys, so I think we're gonna end it right there. So thank you guys for joining the live. Joining in.
That's all. Somebody asked me.
Thank you guys for joining in the live.
Thanks for all who joined the live.
Thanks for all who joined the live. We really appreciate it. That's what they keep us company. I like you.
Yeah.
People will love it right show. But good girl, I forgot to finish the next video now if we want to get it tomorrow.
So,
I eat this.
yeah, remember people?
Every Sunday, good girl come.
You can
live. I'll try my best to.
Okay. And guys, please screenshot our channel and just post on Instagram and tell a friend them to go subscribe and get to 100K. That's
Yeah.
all the good thing.
But people actually the 99 point something.
Yeah, so go on Instagram now. Yeah. And get to 100K. I beg you know, do it.
Do it.
Yeah.
So
Just
good
do it.
night, everybody. Good night. We love you.
Yeah.
Watch your love.
Me gone in, so I feel
Yeah,
channel.
boo.
You
Watch your love. Watch your love. Watch your love, man. Watch you. Watch you. Hey, people. You can't go in the video because we don't know for end this. I must have X there. No, XN, no. XN.
I'm a fool.
Later, people.